We will continue with our arrays topic. To accept any 10 numbers using a single dimensional array and print those numbers in ascending order. So just declare three variables here. First a single dimensional array variable, then I, j, and to hold a temporary value we will declare a t variable. We will accept any 10 numbers using for loop. And num of I. So 10 elements will be accepted, and then with the help of for loop we will check and assign the values in ascending order as per the index element, which is the lowest one, and in ascending order. If num of I greater than num of j, then just hold the value inside a temporary variable, that is t equals to num of I, then once again num of I equals to num of j. At last we have to hold num of j equal to t. Means one by one a single value is checked by all index elements and the value is temporarily held inside the temporary variable, that is t. First for we have used cscanf. Then inside this for we have not declared related to j variable. J equals to I plus 1, then j less than 10, and j plus plus. See here. Nested for loop we are using here. Just make a indentation concept in each and every program so that we can easily understood the opening and closing braces. See here the inner loop is completed. Now we will close the braces of outer loop. Fine. Now to display the output, just use printf statement. The array after sorting is for. We have to use for loop again to display the output of 10 index elements for I equal to 0, I less than 10, and I plus plus. Printf the actual value we have to print is now the value of num of I, as we have stored the numbers inside num of I. Here we complete the program, just apply getCH and the closing of a main function. See, the first loop we are using here to accept the 10 numbers. Then we are checking those numbers one by one with the help of this outer loop once again for I equal to 0, I less than 10 and I plus plus. Inside that we are using a inner loop with the help of j variable, j equals to I plus 1, means the value of I equals to 0 plus 1 for the first time. Then we have to check the value of num of I variable to num of j. If it is greater, then just we will hold, means the index element of 0 is greater than the index element of 1, then the shifting will be take place. One element value will be shift to lower position. As we are creating a program to display the numbers in ascending order, means lowest value will be shifted in first direction. So temporarily we are holding it inside a t variable and assigning a value of num of j to num of I, and then once again we are just taking a value of t to num of j. This loop will be executed again and again as all the elements took place. At last, when it is in a series order, with the help of for loop again, we will just display the value of num of I. Just run the program, press Ctrl F9. Fine. See, just enter numbers in jumbling order. 10 numbers. See here, 1, 2, 3, then 23. So to understand in a better way, we will just apply a /t here so that a gap will be there. See, inside printf /t, press Ctrl F9. Now see here, the alphabets numbers are in a sorting order 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 11, 19, 22 and 34. So we are just displaying the numbers in ascending order with the help of a single array element.